back is broke, my head is numb. This new generation's making me feel old and dumb.
Leaving the city and into the woods. They call this Bear Country. Home of many waterfalls, rapids, beautiful rivers and great lakes. This has been on my recent travel agenda. An authentic Canadian trip where the culture is all about camping, fishing and being one with the nature. And that's what this film is about, the experience of Bear Country.
The city was killing me, now I know.
Deep in the heart of northern Ontario, where very little civilization is around, lies Jacko Provincial Park. Our plan is to camp a couple days here and to visit the hidden great waterfalls. But as with any true adventure, reaching paradise isn't always smooth sailing. The off-road leading to the park entrance is through a dense forest. You understand that nature dominates here, and soon we encountered our first obstacle, a fallen tree blocking our way.
So there's our parking spot.
Okay.
Okay.
We made it. Jacko Park, finally. The drive was wild, but we cleared the fallen tree and now our campsite awaits. Up go the tents. Fresh air, pine trees, a million miles away from the city. The sun is setting. Have to get some firewood before it gets too dark. Collecting fallen trees and branches, perfect for tonight's campfire. There it is. The fire is alive, crackling and popping. Feels good after a long day on the road.
No one knows our faces or our names. If we don't live now and die, we'll make it out.
You know what's nice, the Pedro?
Plans are changing, rearranging all the time. So come away with me. Let's break free.
Dinner is ready. Nothing fancy, but it tastes amazing out here in the wilderness. Washing dishes by the river is a reality of wilderness life. Settling back by the fire now, the stars are starting to peek through. Nothing but the sound of the crackling flames and the relaxing sound of crickets. It's time to sleep soon, as tomorrow we will be going down to explore Jacko Waterfalls. Waking up to birds chirping, a gentle invitation to start the day. It's time to make coffee and to do a little fishing. After breakfast, we set out to start our journey towards the falls. We first have to drive up to where we encounter a secluded trail. Here we are forced to find our balance as we navigate the slick stones across the river. The sound of the river mingles with the rustling of the leaves, creating a soothing symphony. As we get closer, we encounter a long wildflower standing in the sea of weeds. To our surprise, it was an orchid. And there it is, the beautiful Jeco Waterfalls. A true testament to nature's power and beauty. After admiring the falls, it is time for some fishing. First catch, a trout. Scalding and prepping today's catch for this evening's dinner. After a successful trip to the falls, it is time to head back to our campsite. As dusk approaches, my next task, build a fire. All that hiking and fishing has us hungry. It's time to prepare and cook our next meal, the ultimate reward for a day spent exploring the wilderness. My turn to wash the dishes, but at least there is a view. On the road again, next stop Lake Nipissing, a vast and beautiful freshwater lake located in Ontario, Canada. Near the entrance to Calendar Bay, you find the Southeast Bay Lighthouse. Built in 1887, it is the only remaining history lighthouse on the lake.
Red and too common up down there.
Moving on, we head through the city and end up at Champlain Park Beach, a scenic escape within the city limits to North Bay, Ontario. This park offers more than just a beach. Enjoy trail hikes or a boat ride onto the lake, or visit the Nerby-Levasse River. Nearby, we find another hidden gem, the Duchesnay Falls, a captivating natural wonder waiting to be discovered.
Back is broke, my head is numb. This new generation's making me feel old and dumb. The road is dark, but I can't see. I know I'm getting close to bed. City was killing me, now I know. And it was hurting, it was taking its toll. Take my body, but I'll never take my soul. Take my body, but I'll never take my soul. Take my body, but I'll never take my soul. And I will walk till I fall to my knees, until my heart stops, until it starts to bleed. My heart will always be in their country. My heart will always be in their country.
This brings us to the end of our journey in Bear Country, but excited for what lies ahead. Stay tuned and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for my next adventure.
And it was hurting, it was taking its toll. Take my body, but it'll never take my soul. Take my body, but it'll never take my soul. Take my body.